Hello and welcome to this video about the More Like This feature within Vertex. What I'd like to show you is what the feature is about and how it benefits you. You can just do a search, any search, and right now we're going to do Sentinel over no geographic boundary, all the Earth. And it's going to return lots and lots of results. Right now we're looking at over 10 million results. And you see the scenes that are scattered all over the Earth. You can pick a particular scene. Say for example this one here, and when you look at that particular scene you see the scene detail and the files associated with it. There's also a More Like This feature, and that's going to do a search based upon the scene and the frame. And again, remember, right now we have over 10 million results. I say this path and frame, this particular scene, I want more like this one here. You just click that, we'll do a search again, and we're going to limit the path and the frame to just the path and the frame of that scene that you had selected. And so now you see that we have 602 files out of 10 million that we had before, and they are all here in this particular geography. If we zoom in, you can see that they're all right here. And with that being said, you can, since you have only 602, you might want to change the maximum files that we show you and change it to 1,000. Now you're going to get back all of the scenes that we have for that path and frame for Sentinel data over this piece of Earth. And you can scroll through the list and do more refinement and selecting of what you want and add to the queue. But you see here the ability to use the More Like This feature to find other scenes that are exactly on that path and frame that you selected. And that's it. Thank you.